Jan Lenica work of art. His paintings are very nice, very interesting projects like this. We have international art community and many artists are just showing their works like this in this project journal. For instance, Alvaro Alto, the architecture, when you have eyes, you see. If you have no eyes, you don't see. If you have eyes, you can see. You can see like this. If you have no eyes, you close your eyes, you don't see, you cannot see. And this is the benefit of Zen meditation, because Zen meditation makes you able to see what is in front of you. Like this. You see what you see is what you get, and you get is what you see. Like this. Some work in natural environment, the Tapio Virgala is doing something like this. So there are various approaches to Zen meditation, anyway to Buddha Dharma, and some are stuck in certain forms of practice, in these robes, on these thrones, on this cushions session each month. Keep quiet, we are on the retreat. And they are on the retreat, they are on the retreat. They have been on the retreat for years and nothing happened. I don't know why, but maybe they are too much meditation, too much zazen. Yeah, Jukka Väistöla, the artist, and his work, like this. Some poster, walking, some using other things like paint, acrylic paint, tempera, watercolor, like this. So this meditation is purpose of this meditation, and I think Zen is if you succeed in Zen, you will know how to live your life, how to enjoy your life. And one way of enjoying life is through art. There is other fields like clothing, buying good clothes for yourself. So, if you succeed or not in Buddha Dharma, it depends on how well you know your mind and how well you use your mind in your life, like this. And if you seek your mind, if you search after your mind, you can find your mind nowhere, because mind is empty, is emptiness. That means that it is immaterial, invisible. You cannot see mind by your eyes, cannot hear by your ears, or touch, or grasp. It's like space. You cannot grasp space. You can try, but you cannot grasp space. Like this. And where is this mind? Is it in forehead, on top of the head, in the chest, in the belly, in the arm, in the knee? You cannot find. You feel all body, but if you wanna find mind, you cannot. Mind is exactly something you cannot see. You cannot grasp by your hands. You cannot kick the mind by your foot. But there is something living within this body. And this something is not mind. Because mind is just a word, name for that something. And it is not a Buddha, because Buddha is also a word, a name. It is not a mind, because it is a name. And it is not anything. It is not anything. Like this. And if you figure out and find your mind, you can be aware of your mind by a consciousness, awareness. Yeah. And when you are aware of your mind, then you can pacify your mind. You can pacify your karma, and you can change your karma. Yeah. You can free yourself from your opposite dirty karma, from good karma, from bad karma. You can purify all your eternity in the past through recognizing the nature of your mind. And you can attain clear karma, which means clear mind karma. Because if you recognize nature of your mind, you can see these things around like this. And this is creative power of your mind. Like this, like appearances manifesting. Your mind manifesting as appearances. Like this.